Assalamualaikum and good day, madam and fellow classmates. My name is Noramila binti Azhar, and today I will be presenting my strategic management assignment based on Farm Fresh Holding Berhad. This presentation focuses on how Farm Fresh manage strategic risk, strengthen business continuity, creates value through international expansion and innovation, and support sustainable economic growth through ethical leadership, value-based education, and sustainable development goal 8. Let's begin with an overview of today's presentation. Before discussing the strategic analysis, I would like to introduce Farm Fresh Holding Berhad. Farm Fresh was established in 2009 and has grown into one of Malaysia's leading integrated dairy companies. The company specializes in producing, processing, distributing, and marketing fresh milk and a wide range of dairy-related products. Today, Farm Fresh operates not only in Malaysia but has also expanded into Australia and several ASEAN countries, strengthening its regional presence. The company's success is built on several key strengths, including high-quality dairy product, sustainable farming practices, continuous product innovation, and strong partnership with local dairy farmers. Through this initiative, Farm Fresh continues to enhance customer satisfaction while achieving sustainable business growth and creating long-term value for its stakeholders. This slide explains how Farm Fresh manage strategic risk and ensure business continuity. Firstly, the company faces financial risk, including rising raw material prices, foreign exchange fluctuation, and increasing operation costs. To manage the risk, Farm Fresh applies cost control measures, maintain long-term relationship with suppliers, and continuously monitor its financial performance. Secondly, operational risks include disease outbreaks among dairy cattle, equipment failure, supply chain distribution, and food safety issue. Farm Fresh reduces these risks through preventive maintenance, strict quality control procedure, and biosecurity measures. Thirdly, the company also manages reputational risks because customer trust depends on product quality and food safety. Transparent communication and sustainable initiative help strengthen stakeholder confidence. To ensure operational resilience, Farm Fresh implement business continuity planning, including supplier diversification, inventory planning, digital product monitoring, and regular risk assessment. This initiative enable the company to respond quickly to disruption while maintaining stable operation and product availability. This slide explains how Farm Fresh creates value through its international strategy. The company adopts a transnational strategy, which means it maintains consistent product quality and a strong brand identity while adapting its product and marketing strategies to suit local consumer preference. Farm Fresh has expanded beyond Malaysia into Australia and several ASEAN countries. This expansion allows the company to diversify its revenue sources, strengthen its regional presence, and reduce dependence on the domestic market. To succeed internationally, Farm Fresh conduct market research, complies with local food safety regulation, and work closely with local distributor and business partner. This initiative help the company adapt to different culture and institutional environments. Although the company faces challenges such as exchange rate fluctuation, rising logistic costs, and regulatory differences, it also benefits from increasing demand for fresh dairy product and stronger regional partnership supporting long-term sustainable growth. This slide explains how FarmFresh strengthens its competitive advantage through strategic innovation and entrepreneurship. Firstly, the company invests in modern technology such as automated dairy farming system and digital monitoring to improve productivity, operational efficiency and product quality. Secondly, FarmFresh continuously develop new dairy product and healthier beverage options to meet changing consumer preference and strengthen its market position. The company also demonstrates entrepreneurship by expanding its product portfolio and collaborating with local dairy farmers through contract farming programs. This partnership is not only secure a sustainable supply of fresh milk but also create economic opportunities for local communities. Finally, FarmFresh promotes strategy renewal by investing in research and development, employee training, and continuous process improvement. This initiative enable the company to remain competitive while supporting sustainable long-term growth. Slide 6. This slide explains how ethical leadership support FarmFresh long-term business success. FarmFresh integrates the principle of value-based education, particularly integrity, responsibility, respect and fairness into its daily business operation. This company maintain high food safety standard, operate responsible and protect the interests of its employees, customers, supplier and other stakeholders. In addition, FarmFresh demonstrates respect and fairness by working closely with local dairy farmers through long-term partnership that creates shared value and support local community. This initiative also contribute directly to Sustainable Development Goal 8, which focuses on decent work and economic growth. The company creates employment opportunities, invests in employee development, and promotes sustainable farming practices that support Malaysia's economic development. Overall, ethical leadership strengthens stakeholder trust, improves organizational sustainability, and creates long-term value for both the business and society. Based on the finding of this analysis, I would like to propose two strategic recommendations for FarmFresh. The first recommendation is strengthen the company digital supply chain by integrating artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and data analytics into the production and distribution processes. This technology can improve demand forecasting, optimize inventory management, and enhance logistic planning. As a result, FarmFresh will be able to respond more effectively to market changes while strengthening business continuity. The second recommendation is to expand partnership with local dairy farmers. Providing technical training, modern farming technology, and continuous support, FarmFresh can increase fresh milk production, reduce dependence on imported raw materials, and contribute to the economic development of local communities. These recommendations support responsible business practices, strengthen long-term competitiveness, and reinforce the company commitment to value-based education and sustainable development goal 8. This slide outlines the key leadership action that FarmFresh should prioritize to achieve sustainable business growth. Firstly, the company should continue investing in digital innovation by expanding the use of artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and data analytics to improve operational efficiency and strengthen business resilience. Secondly, leadership should strengthen corporate governance by enhancing risk management practices and ensuring ethical decision making across all business operations. In addition, continuous employee training and leadership development are important to build a culture of innovation, accountability, and collaboration. Finally, Farm Fresh should continue strengthening partnership with local dairy farmers to support sustainable sourcing, improve fresh milk production, and creates long-term value for both the company and local community. Through this strategic action, FarmFresh can build a resilient organization that remains competitive while creating sustainable value for all stakeholders. If FarmFresh successfully implement the proposed strategies, the company can achieve several positive outcomes. Firstly, digital technologies and data-driven decision-making will improve operational efficiency and enable faster response to business challenge. Secondly, stronger risk management and business continuity planning will enhance supply chain resilience while reducing financial, operational, and reputational risks. In addition, customer, supplier, employee, and local dairy farmer will benefit from stronger stakeholder relationship built on trust, product quality, and responsible business practice. Ultimately, this initiative will strengthen FarmFresh competitive advantage, support sustainable business growth, and reinforce the company contribution to build base education and sustainable development goal 8. In conclusion, FarmFresh Holding Berhad has demonstrated that effective strategic management is essential for achieving sustainable business success. The company successfully managed financial, operational, and reputational risks through proactive planning and strong business continuity practice. At the same time, its international expansion strategy enabled FarmFresh to strengthen its market position while adapting to different customer needs. Continuously, investment in innovation, automation, and research and development has also enhanced the company operational efficiency and competitive advantage. Most important, FarmFresh integrates ethical leadership, value-based education, and sustainable development goal 8 into the business strategy, creating value not only for shareholder but also for employee, customer, local farmer, and wider community. So overall, FarmFresh is well positioned for long-term growth by combining strategic management innovation and responsible leadership in a sustainable manner. So these are the main references used in preparing this presentation. The analysis is based on FarmFresh official reports and recognized strategic management literature, ensuring that the findings and recommendations are supported by credible and reliable source. So why I choose FarmFresh? I've choose FarmFresh because it is one of Malaysia's most successful local dairy companies and provides a good example of strategy, management, innovation, and sustainable business practice. Thank you for your attention.